To get the best performance and longest life from your FlowZone sprayer, it's important to follow a few simple best practices. FlowZone sprayers are built for professionals who need efficiency, reliability, and precision every day. With proper use and maintenance, your sprayer will continue performing at its best for years to come. Let's review the key do's and don'ts. Always use the 3 quick connect nozzles included with your FlowZone sprayer. Do not use unapproved third-party nozzles, as they can restrict flow, affect performance, and potentially damage the pump. When lifting your sprayer, do use the strap handle, not the lid handle. The lid handle is not designed to support the full weight of a full tank. Also, when setting your sprayer down, avoid dropping or slamming it onto hard surfaces. If you're transporting your sprayer in the bed of a truck or van, do keep it covered and protected from the elements. For lasting power and performance, only use genuine FlowZone Tri-Zone battery packs and chargers. Before the first operation, do charge your battery to 100%. To maximize battery life, recharge the battery when the indicator lights show 3 bars or less. Do not allow the battery to fully discharge. Repeated deep discharges can permanently reduce battery performance over time. When not in use, do store batteries indoors in a controlled climate away from moisture and extreme temperatures. For long-term storage, check the battery charge level every 4 weeks and recharge it whenever it falls below 3 bars. FlowZone sprayers are designed to handle wettable powders and micro-encapsulated products. However, do not use essential oil-based products, petroleum-based products, or acetone in your sprayer unless it is specifically labeled for those solutions. These materials can damage internal components and void product performance expectations. Always verify chemical compatibility before use. One of the most important steps in sprayer maintenance is cleaning after every application. After spraying, safely dispose of any remaining solution according to the chemical manufacturer's instructions. Never leave chemicals sitting inside the sprayer for extended periods, as residue buildup can lead to clogs, corrosion, and reduced performance. Before placing your sprayer into extended storage, thoroughly clean and dry all components to help ensure trouble-free operation when you're ready to use it again. Thanks for watching. If you experience any issues with your sprayer, please reach out to our live support team. We are available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. You can email us at support@wessel.com or call us at 803-339-2500. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for product updates and other instructional content.